Do you know what today is? Well, let me quench your curiosity, but before that, welcome to Straight Up by edX Live with me, lovely Majumdar. Curious, are you? Today is National Mathematics Day. It was first observed in India in the year 2012 and is commemorated on the occasion of Srinivas Ramanujan's birth anniversary. With no formal training in the subject, he is regarded as one of the greatest mathematicians the world has ever seen. But do you know that when Ramanujan started college, he failed in non-mathematical subjects, but he chose to identify his abilities, and so should you. The Mathemati monster terrifies us all, but here is Neelakantha Bhanu Prakash, who holds 4 world records for being the fastest human calculator in the world and also won India's first gold medal at the Mind Sports Olympiad, offering his mantra to the students.
Ramanujan's journey from a small village in Tamil Nadu to becoming a fellow at Cambridge University is not just inspiring, but also a proud moment for every Indian. It's not just Ramanujan who made India proud. There are many unsung heroes in the field of mathematics from our country. Mathematicians like Aryabhatta, who introduced the concept of zero, and Bhaskara too, known for his work in algebra. Since exam seasons are coming up, here is a tip for you. Always remember, understanding the why behind a mathematical concept is way more important than just memorizing formulas. When you understand the reasoning, the formula becomes a tool rather than just a piece of memory. Happy National Math Day to all of you, and let's keep the legacy of Ramanujan and other Indian mathematicians alive in our pursuits.
I hope this was helpful. Here is one trivia for you. Did you know that there is a term called the Ramanujan number? The number 1729 is also known as the Ramanujan number, which is the sum of the cubes of two numbers 10 and 9. But knowing never has its limits. Here is Professor KC Sivakumar, a mathematics professor from IIT Madras, who completed his PhD in functional analysis and is an expert in the field, giving you another set of tips and insights to help defeat your fear of mathematics.
The first one, in my opinion, is to learn mathematics as a foreign language. It's a language, and how one learns a language is to practice the language. Practicing here means both writing mathematics, talking mathematics, and listening to mathematics. So there is a lot of practice that is required to master mathematics. The second tip is mathematics is not something that one should look at memorizing. The important thing to remember is there is a lot of pattern in mathematics. One needs to recognize the pattern in mathematics. For example, in a plus b the whole square, how to get the expansion. In a plus b whole cube, how to get the expansion. There is a pattern that goes on. So understand the pattern, and so you don't have to memorize. That's the second tip that will be useful. The third tip is every individual has his or her own speed, her own style of doing mathematics. One should stick to the individualistic approach to mathematics. It doesn't mean that one should speed up the process of learning mathematics just by looking at the other person. The fourth tip is if you have any doubts in your mathematics class, you should get the doubt clarified immediately. That will help removing the doubts about one's own self.
This was all for today. We will see you again tomorrow. Till then, mask up and stay safe.